In this Easter Monday edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the efforts of an initiative that is helping to steer youths in the right direction. Here is Kayan Morgan with that story.
95% attitude, 5% skills. It's the special ingredient behind the success stories of youths who were once deemed wayward but have now found their way under the 360 I Am program. Organizer of the initiative and founder of 360 Recycle Manufacturing in Linstead, St. Catherine, Shahid Cole, says for over the last 2 decades, he has invested his time and skills into steering delinquents from a life of crime.
Persons who are going through some level of trauma, persons who are fatherless, motherless, suffer from poverty, have certain behavioral problems. And the program is geared in a way to change behavior, to change mindsets.
The residential program offers training in welding, masonry, carpentry, electrical, plumbing, and farming, along with math and English. Mr. Cole says although the program targets persons between the ages of 17 to 30, there are exceptions.
Individuals who are very creative, but they're not paying attention in school and probably need a different approach. You know, we're a creative space, and the environment have a way of bringing a level of calm and tranquility.
Mr. Cole says to date, over 80 persons have benefited from the program.
We have had trainees who have passed on and have started their own businesses, okay, and they're being very successful in their area. And when you tell them where they're coming from, how difficult their lives were, and then after being trained, after the attitude that was changed, they have become fruitful members of society. That is inspirational.
And at the end of the program, students are certified and assisted with securing jobs. For Mr. Cole, prevention is better than cure.
You don't have to wait until they commit a crime to start spending taxpayers' money to deal with the issue. We can nip it in the bud before it reaches that point.
And for 15-year-old Ruth Peart and 17-year-old Leon Horton, the program has helped them in managing their anger as well as gave them a sense of purpose.
Some young youths don't get the courage to learn skills from different places, and 360 can help them out a lot with their attitude.
When you hear you're free, you are able to express yourself more. You're able to say, walk, go there, you don't have to look behind you.
I believe that each of us can take a youth or two, and we can make a difference in that person's life if we ensure that it is intentional.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.